Wait, Timmy, you gotta get in this. So I just fell on my ass, and it was the funniest thing ever.
It was hilarious.
It's very snowy. Is that a word? It just snowed, and we're gonna have a lot of fun today, I guess.
I'm excited.
Okay, and yeah.
It's really cold.
I don't know what to talk about. Should I walk backwards though?
You're like out in the snow in California.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna get some really bad shadows. Oh no, it's not that bad. Yep. Wait, let's take a selfie. Out in the snow. It is Saturday. We're gonna take a selfie. The sun is out.
Snow is out.
Snow is out. It sounds like a pretty good time to me. Example one of the amazing people that I'm meeting in college. Same. Go to college. Hello. Example two. Hello. Oh, I love it. I was just telling everyone about all the amazing people that I'm meeting in college, and then I was like, example one, and then example two. Do you think so? It's currently freezing.
Yeah. Yeah.
She's smart and brought her hot chocolate.
Yes.
I'm not that smart.
Oh, I'm gonna be in your vlog. Hey there, it's me. It's me.
Hey there. I'm gonna start every video like that. Hey there, it's me. Like that is so cute.
Oh shit. I'm out here with my open toe shoes. In the snow.
Of all the times I could have been wearing my snowshoes that I want to see the sunset.
Okay.
Pero like, ¿dónde está? So I think you guys can barely see me, but because of the higher elevation, it's like a lot harder to breathe. I'm here for it, but we're currently watching the sunset right now. So cue sunset, spontaneous music, and clips of the sun setting. Okay. So I'm pretty sure that my hands are about to fall off. They're really red. I'm stupid and I didn't bring gloves out here to come play in the snow and come take pictures. But we're going inside to our cabins. We're gonna watch a few of our favorite shows and then have dinner. Yeah. So I'm out here in the snow. Obviously, that was obvious. But almost fell. I fell. So I'm a little bit out of breath. But I'm really excited to just kind of like, sounds a bit cliche, but take advantage of my life and the opportunities that I have and the support that I have, like all of you guys who continue to support me and just love me and are so positive. So I'm so thankful for you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go back and go hang out with my friends If you guys have any questions or want me to do any college videos related to how I got into college, my high school experience, yada yada yada, all that, let me know. Leave a comment down below on what your guys' future goals are, and yeah, I'd really like to know. Okay. See you soon.
What's for dinner?
My question every day, what's for dinner?